Navigating the Seas of Justice, Houston Maritime Attorneys. Introduction. Welcome to this comprehensive exploration of the legal professionals who navigate the intricate waters of maritime law in Houston. The maritime industry, integral to Houston's economy, brings with it a unique set of challenges. In this script, we'll delve into the role of Houston Maritime Attorneys, examining the complexities of maritime law, understanding the challenges faced by those in the maritime industry, and exploring how legal experts in Houston guide clients through the seas of justice. Maritime Law Unveiled. Maritime law, often referred to as Admiralty law, is a distinct legal framework that governs activities at sea. In this section, we will uncover the foundations of maritime law, exploring its historical roots, its evolution, and the key principles that form the backbone of this specialized legal domain. Understanding the international and domestic aspects of maritime law provides a crucial context for comprehending the role of Houston Maritime Attorneys. 2. The maritime industry in Houston. Houston's position as a major port city and a hub for maritime activities is unparalleled. This section will dive into the maritime industry's significance in Houston, exploring key sectors such as shipping, offshore drilling, and maritime commerce. Understanding the economic importance of the maritime industry in Houston sets the stage for appreciating the challenges that can arise and the need for specialized legal expertise. 3. The role of Houston Maritime Attorneys. Houston Maritime Attorneys play a pivotal role in ensuring the smooth operation of maritime activities. This section will unravel the multifaceted responsibilities shouldered by these legal professionals. From advising clients on compliance with maritime regulations to representing them in legal disputes, we'll explore how maritime attorneys in Houston serve as advocates and navigators in the complex waters of the legal system. 4. Legal challenges in maritime operations. The maritime industry is not without its challenges. This section will shed light on the legal complexities that can arise in maritime operations. From personal injury claims to environmental disputes, we'll explore the spectrum of legal challenges that Houston Maritime Attorneys are equipped to handle. Real-life examples will illustrate how legal expertise is instrumental in resolving complex issues. Choosing the right maritime attorney. Selecting the right maritime attorney is a crucial step for those involved in the maritime industry. In this section, we'll guide individuals through the process of finding the most suitable legal representation. From researching potential attorneys to considering their experience in specific maritime sectors, we'll provide insights into the factors that contribute to making an informed choice. 6. The investigative process. When legal challenges arise in maritime operations, the investigative process becomes a critical component. Houston Maritime Attorneys delve into accident reconstruction, gathering evidence, and navigating complex regulatory frameworks. This section will provide an in-depth look at the investigative strategies employed by maritime attorneys to build robust cases for their clients. 7. Negotiation and settlement. Many maritime disputes are resolved through negotiation and settlement. This section will explore the art of negotiation in the maritime context, detailing how Houston Maritime Attorneys work towards favorable settlements for their clients. We'll discuss the strategies employed and the considerations that come into play when resolving maritime disputes outside the courtroom. 8. Litigation in maritime cases. For cases that do not find resolution through negotiation, litigation becomes necessary. This section will walk through the litigation process in maritime cases, exploring courtroom procedures, the role of expert witnesses, and potential outcomes. Real-life case studies will illuminate how legal battles unfold in the maritime legal arena. 9. The international dimension of maritime law. Maritime law extends beyond national borders, encompassing an international dimension. This section will explore how Houston Maritime Attorneys navigate the complexities of international maritime law. We'll delve into conventions, treaties, and the unique challenges posed by legal matters that span across different jurisdictions. Houston Maritime Attorneys, a beacon of legal expertise. As we conclude this comprehensive exploration, we'll reflect on the indispensable role played by Houston Maritime Attorneys. They are not just legal professionals, they are stewards of justice in the maritime realm. Whether ensuring compliance, resolving disputes, or advocating for their clients, Houston Maritime Attorneys serve as beacons of legal expertise, guiding the maritime industry through the often turbulent waters of the legal system. Houston Maritime Attorneys are legal professionals specializing in maritime or admiralty law, a specialized branch of law governing activities on navigable waters. These attorneys play a crucial role in providing legal counsel and representation for individuals and companies involved in maritime activities in the Houston area, which includes one of the largest and busiest ports in the United States. Key aspects of Houston Maritime Attorneys. Expertise in maritime law. Houston Maritime Attorneys possess in-depth knowledge of maritime law, which encompasses a broad range of legal issues related to shipping, navigation, offshore activities, and marine commerce. Navigating complex regulations. They assist clients in understanding and complying with the intricate web of federal and international maritime regulations. This includes compliance with safety standards, environmental regulations, and other legal requirements. Legal representation in disputes. These attorneys are skilled in representing clients in legal disputes that may arise in the maritime industry. This can include personal injury claims, collisions, environmental issues, contractual disputes, and more. Investigative skills. Houston Maritime Attorneys often engage in thorough investigations following maritime incidents. They work to reconstruct accidents, gather evidence, and determine liability, all while navigating the complexities of maritime regulations. Negotiation and settlement. They are adept at negotiating on behalf of their clients to achieve fair settlements. This involves discussions with insurers, opposing parties, and other stakeholders to resolve disputes without resorting to lengthy court battles. Litigation in court. In cases where negotiation fails, these attorneys are prepared to litigate in court. They represent clients in legal proceedings, presenting evidence, cross-examining witnesses, and arguing legal points to seek favorable outcomes. International maritime law. Given the international nature of maritime activities, Houston Maritime Attorneys may also deal with aspects of international maritime law, including conventions and treaties that govern maritime affairs on a global